Hello my dear viewers, once again welcome back to my channel. It's DIY craft videos. In this video I am going to show you macrame wall hanging craft ideas. In this video you will see different types of wall hanging craft ideas. So guys, don't go anywhere, keep watching my video till end. Modern macrame, how an ancient fiber art has resurfaced as a beautiful craft. Knotting or macrame is one of many crafts being revived by those who love working with their hands. Just like surface embroidery, quilting, and needlework are seeing a bump in popularity, macrame is being transformed from a 1970s relic into a hot, trendy art form. A versatile Either way, decorative macrame actually first appears in carvings by the Babylonians and Assyrians that depict framed braiding used to adorn costumes. In the 13th century, Arab weavers used decorative knots to finish the excess thread on shawls, veils, and towels. It then spread to Europe via North Africa when the Moors brought macrame to Spain. While most think of macrame as a craze of the 1970s, the craft reached peak popularity in Victorian England. First introduced to England in the late 17th century, Queen Mary herself taught classes to her ladies in waiting. Most Victorian homes had some type of macrame decoration as it was used only to decorate clothing and spreads. In my next video, I will show you many other ideas and many other information. So thank you so much guys. Take care of yourself. If you have any request or if you want to ask me any question about these ideas, please let me know in comment section. I will reply on your comment and fulfill your request as soon as possible. Once again, thanks for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and do not